Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can use image to image generation in Leonardo AI. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to app.leonardo.ai and then here on the left side you will see image to image. You will have to drag and drop an image that you want to use as an input. Make sure the image is in PNG or JPEG and is less than 5 MB. So let's just drag and drop my picture that I want to use as an input. After your image is uploaded, enter the prompt and then click the generate button. Here as you can see, I have generated this image using the image I have uploaded. That's it. That's how you can use image to image generation in Leonardo.ai. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.